Today's episode of whatever is sponsored by the letter I. The letter I! Or is it the letter H? I say H. Do you say H? I say H. Deal with it. Good morning, friends. So, wasn't going to make a video, but there was people on Instagram going on hunger strikes and threatening suicide, so it's become my moral obligation to make a video. Alright, so what we have here is the door. I'm going to make an internal door for the cafe kitchen in the church. You walk out from the kitchen into the dining area. And what's happening is we have a door, people are smashing into kids are smashing into people, people are walking out with cakes and somebody walks out, they close the door. Now in a lot of these recycled woods, especially this Oregon, you get a bit of rot like that. And CA glue is a really good way of stabilising that. If you don't stabilise it, you'll probably just knock it off altogether when you sand it. It's also very good for stabilising your knots before you run them through the thicknesser. You just fill them up in the voids. And this basically does the same thing as resin, just does it a lot faster. That said, it costs about 10 times as much too. Now where you've got splits like these are quite deadly. They'll come out and really splinter away. They're good to stabilise. This is about the third coat of CA, which sounds laborious, but we're talking about 30 seconds. And just let that drop in there. And then I'm just going to smooth it out on the surface so I don't have to spend forever sanding. And that'll stabilise it and stop it breaking away. And once you put your varnish over it, it'll be permanent. Great tip, knackers. Sorry, that one's taken. And that, my friends, is a pretty nasty fit. So the Domino XL is really just nowhere near as good as the actual original Domino I found for alignment. Look at that. Look at the twist on that. It just really doesn't do anywhere near as good a job. And I was being so careful that time to make sure I was flat. But yeah, it's just nowhere near as good. Sorry to say, kids, if you're looking at buying one, I think it's more for the agricultural type work. Right guys, it's 40 degrees and I'm out here making this take twice as long so that I can make a video for you. I hope you appreciate that. YouTube certainly don't. They don't give us stuff. Anyway, I've gotten this far into the build and I've gone and run out of dominoes, haven't I? So I'm not going to go and buy more. What I do have, even though I've run out of dominoes, is plenty of 3/8 fluted dowel and a Dowelmax. So I'm gonna dowel this top part in. So in terms of getting your joints flush and nicely aligned, I find the Dowelmax is just head and shoulders above the Domino. It's just a lot better. got us a bit of an issue here. So if I put these two together, you can see we're proud here, sticking up. Can you see that? So how I'm going to fix this is I'm going to use the Dowelmax to put two dowels here just for alignment. Okay, so here's how I'll do it. I'm referencing off this face here. If I just push up to that domino there and use that as my alignment positioner, then on this half here, using a spare domino, I'll do that. Those holes should line up exactly. Let's test that theory out, shall we? Chinese safety boots. Alright, let's see if that worked. Tell you what, this is going to be the strongest joint in the history of dowel domino reinforced craziness. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that! Come on. Would you look at that? Look at it. Alright guys, we've got handheld mode happening. Bit of shaking here, but deal with it. So this is the test fit, right? So firstly, our twist is gone from here. Let's focus. Our twist is gone from here. That's nice and flush. Good. I'm square there. I'm square there. I'm square there. I'm square there. I'm flush everywhere. So I can glue up. We've got the big green turd out, and we've got the old rabbiting bit, and I'm just going to cut a rebate in here, here and here for the glass panels. If you ever want to know what router not to buy, this is it. It's a piece of crap. Anyway, let's get going. And what I like to do to prevent tear out on a really splintery wood like this with the router cutter cutting in this direction is nothing at all, because you don't need to. Alright, now we just got to square all these corners off, and then we can send it off to the glaziers for installing the glass. If your chisel isn't sharp enough, just reach into your drawer. Chances are you've got another one there that's sharper. So what we need to do here is apply a little bit of bullcrap correction techniques. That's interesting, isn't it? Imagine if we could apply that to some of our politics. Let's apply some on him. Oh, look, he's disappeared altogether. Oh. Okay, so we've got the big green turd out. It normally lives under the bench when no one can see it. Oh, he's close. He's really close. That's definitely an eye. I reckon that's an eye. Do you know I can't pronounce I? See? I sound like there's an O in it. My eyes. 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 My eyes. My eyes. My eyes. If I talk like this, I can say my eyes. Hey, I've got a new apron. It's nice, huh? Nice. You like it, this one? Okay. 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 Eh? So, where we're up to now is joinery. That's a B. B gone. B. Yeah, right.